It is Thursday, June 29th. One more day in June. Wow. I got to work all day today. That's a good thing. I needed to get caught up. Family's still here, but Mom arrived yesterday, so my daughter Turner came, so I got to be relieved of some duty. So that was good, and I had an appointment this morning, and then I came to work, and I worked all day and had a great day. We've been very busy. The sale has been phenomenal, so please come. The semi-annual clearance sale is on, up to 75% off. Everything's at least 25% off, and it is going gangbusters, so don't miss out. All right, we placed some orders while we were gone, and we just got in a new shipment of TOFT. And remember, TOFT is the English company that is all about crocheted kits, and she has them for level 1, level 2, and everything in the kit, everything is included in the kit that you need. The yarn, the hook, the stuffing, whatever else it is, it's all in here. So I'm going to go through and show you the ones I have. They are $40 a piece, and we're going to start with the snake. This one is Atticus. Atticus the snake. Such nice packaging, very well done. There is also snap, share, and make. Let me see. Easy to follow crochet patterns. So that's the snake. This one is Stanley the Stegosaurus. Stanley the Stegosaurus. And every time we get this guy, this is Gal, Eleanor the Labrador. Sweet Eleanor the Labrador. Then also in a number 1 is Simon the Sheep. Little curlies on his chest. Simon the Sheep and Emma the Bunny. So cute. Love them. All right, and level 2. Don't think we've had this guy before. This is Geraldine the Duck. Quack, quack. She looks pretty cute. And we've got Chardonnay, the Palomino pony. Chardonnay. And then we have Gregor the T-Rex. Gregor the T-Rex. And we have Chablis the unicorn. And last but not least, we have Penelope the bear. All right. Lots of choices. We've got 3 of each pattern, so they're not going to run out. We've got them for a while, so that's a good thing. A good thing. Kids are. I told you, kids are here. They're going to be here till Monday, I think. Fireworks go off here at the lake in Southern Pines, well, in West End, on Sunday. So it'll be a big show. It's really nice. We can sit on our dock and look at the fireworks going off on the island. It's kind of nice. Anyway, but it was kind of, I needed a little break. It's a good break today, even if it was to come to work, which I love. So anyway, all good. Have a great evening. I think I'll make a video tomorrow, but I can't swear by it. So I will see you when I see you.